In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with eBay. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store linked to eBay so you can manage products and orders more efficiently from one place. First, open the Shopify website and sign in to your Shopify admin. Make sure you're using the account that has permission to manage apps. It also helps to have your eBay seller account details ready, since you'll be asked to log in during the connection process. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look for the Apps section on the left-hand menu and click it. This is where you can add tools that extend your store's functionality. On the Apps page, you'll see options to find more apps. Go to the place where you can search for new apps, and in the search bar, type eBay. You should see the eBay integration appear. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct listing by checking the name and description, and then click it to open the Apps page. On the app page, click Install. Shopify will show you what the app can access in your store. This is standard for integrations that need to sync products, inventory, and orders. Review the permissions, and when you're comfortable, confirm the installation. The app will begin setting itself up, which may take a few moments. After the app finishes installing, you'll be prompted to connect it to your eBay account. Click to connect, and you'll be guided to sign into eBay. Enter your eBay credentials on the secure eBay sign-in page, then grant the requested permissions so the app can link your store with your eBay seller account. This allows your products, inventory levels, and orders to sync between platforms. From here, follow the prompts on your screen. The app will usually walk you through choosing which products to list, how to handle inventory syncing, and any key settings such as pricing rules, category mapping, or listing formats. Take your time with these options. For example, ensure your product titles, descriptions, and images meet eBay's listing standards, and confirm shipping, returns, and handling times. Match what you offer in your store. If the app offers test syncs or previews, use them to verify everything looks correct before pushing listings live. When you've completed the prompts, the connection is done. Give the system a little time to sync. Then check a few products and make sure the details and stock levels appear correctly on both Shopify and eBay. That's it. Open Shopify, click Apps, search eBay, install, connect, log in, and follow the guided setup. You're all set to sell seamlessly across both platforms.